Hello and welcome to Filio.com. A coverage that's often overlooked when a commercial insurance policy is being put together is business income coverage or business continuation coverage. What this coverage does for the client is it protects them in the event of a disaster where they're put out of business. It'll give them an income stream to continue their operations in the meantime until they can get back on their feet. An example might be a fire at your office or at your shop location, or a tornado, and it puts you out of business. Obviously, you can't service your clients during a period when your business has been destroyed. So what the business coverage does, business income coverage does, is it will give you money to replace those expenses and pay the employees and get back up and running, so you have some money there in the meantime. There's also an additional coverage that goes with business income coverage called extra expense. Extra expense will pay for the additional things you normally wouldn't need during this period of restoration. If you have to lease additional space perhaps, or perhaps additional vehicles, this will pay for that extra cost that you incur while you're getting your business restored and back to normal. There's two ways you can go about this too. There's a stated amount of coverage where you have X amount of dollars for X amount of months, and then your coverage expires. Or you can go with actual loss sustained. Actual loss sustained is the way we prefer to do it. It gives you your actual losses on income, and it goes typically for 1 year or 12 months after the date of the occurrence that caused the damage. We prefer the actual loss sustained, but sometimes we do need to go with the stated value depending on the type of policies and the products that we're using. Typically, you'll be asked to offer proof of income, profit and loss statements, or tax statements in order to verify what your income was prior to the loss. The insurance company claim reps will work with you and help you come to the figures that are correct for your business income or your business continuation coverage. Very important coverage, though. Do not accept a commercial policy that does not include this. Most of them do include it. Some of them need to be added on there. But make sure you have this. Without this coverage and a disaster strikes, you certainly can be put out of business. If you have any questions, feel free to call our agency, and make sure to browse the other videos on Filio.com. Thanks for visiting.